This is the last of our 3 videos in this series. Last one, bird! I have teamed together with Eylure and come up with a collection of lashes. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome. Just a little bit of kind of insider info. 3 lashes that I designed. One a natural lash. The middle one is kind of halfway between natural and full going out lash. And the last one is the full going out lash. So this is our natural look. These are Instabel lashes that I'm wearing now, so the most natural of the 3. This is Amanda Bowen, my makeup artist of 15 years. Eyelash Pro applier. So how are you going to take the natural look into the glam look?
Well, I think in true Emma Willis style, we're going to do it very subtly.
And we're going to use all the Aces lashes.
We're going to use all the Aces lashes and we're going to pop on a bold lip. That means we like understated, so nude eye is perfect with just like 2 to 3
2 easy
products.
tricks.
Yeah, that's
You're
it.
full of tricks, aren't you?
And it's going to be quick.
I try not to go too full on with makeups, but the minute I put a lip on, I feel like I have gone to town, like full bells and whistles. This is me, super glam. Oh, look at my bright red lips. Because I don't do it very often, so I feel like that is my kind of pushing the bar.
And we have pushed the bar.
And we have pushed
and you've gone there, which is brilliant.
We have gone there, yeah. Right, do you want to slap me up? That's what we say. I'm like,
okay.
Come on, slap me up. She's like, all right.
I'm going to slap her up.
Going to slap you up, birds. Okay, let's go. So let's start with taking off Instabel gently. That's my lashes. You can give me the lashes.
Okay, so let's go for all the Aces. So we're going to use the accents. Again, run a little bit of glue along the lash line and let it dry for 20 to 30 seconds. Normally your glam look doesn't have to be super glam, like I said. We'll change the lashes, bump them up a bit, a little bit more shimmer on the cheekbones.
Popping on a lip does make a difference. If you're not used to wearing a lip.
Well, you always hated it.
Yeah.
It took a long time, like the lashes, like the brows.
If you've got that on that quickly.
I've got to say, they are so easy.
You are very good.
Sometimes,
or I'm just brilliant at designing great lashes.
Yeah, it could be either of those things. I've got to say, they go on so easily. Okay, let's go. Obviously, if you're shopping and changing lashes, make sure you haven't got any glue on your lid because it doesn't help. That's pretty good.
Amazing. Look at that.
They're, again, super fluffy, but they're not too heavy. So now, if you want to just blot off your lips.
Blot or rub.
Just powder a little bit.
It's hard to talk when you do eyelids.
Well,
Turn into a ventriloquist.
This is the first time you've never actually talked when I've had to put your lip on,
I know.
so I don't
Normally
know.
I'm like, what?
Normally when I'm doing a lip and a dark lip, it'll be last minute and she won't shut up. And then really, I'm just going to pop a little bit of a shimmer on the lid. I mean, you don't have to. I'd almost take a little bit of eyeshadow off actually for this look and keep it a bit more bare. Yeah, it's just brightened it up a little bit. So you don't have to use too many tools to change a look completely, especially when a lip is involved. Okay, so just a pop of shimmer on the lid just to open the eye up, and it does make the lashes pop a little bit more as well. There you go, Em. Have a look.
A fine job you've done again.
Just a quick one, just a bit of lip.
Quick adding up.
Yeah.
Ramping up.
Well, literally.
Vamping up.
Yeah.
Glamming up. We could go a step more there, right?
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah. Should we put on the corners?
Let's do it.
Full glam. But instead of looking for your natural lash line, now you have to line that up to your false lash line.
Absolutely. So just get this as close to the accent lash as possible. And give the lashes a little bit of a squeeze. So you can see how that's quite dramatically bumped up the outer corner.
Oh yeah, it really has, hasn't it?
It makes quite a big difference. You can get a little old mascara wand and maybe just
brush them.
Yeah, it gives you that little flirty extra kick on the outside.
It does, doesn't it? It kind of makes it a little bit denser as well.
And also it's perfect because it makes your eye makeup look heavier. So it just goes to show you don't need a lot of eye makeup. Just by doubling up your lash, actually it gives you that much more
oomph.
Yeah, oomph and definition.
Actual word that is. It's official lash lingo.
Lash lingo. And again, just because you're using these together, you can still use them again. Just be careful how you
be really careful taking them off and separating them.
As long as you take the glue off, then they're usable several times again. They go over the top really easily.
Bob's your uncle.
Yeah. Stronger lash. Strong lip, strong lash.
Oh, it's good. They're quite flirty, aren't they?
They're very flirty.
Little flirty ends.
Yeah. I think all you need to do is maybe pop on a little bit of a little bit more highlighter, and that's it. Give yourself a bit of a spritz of a face spray.
Freshen it up.
Yeah, freshen it up, glow it up, and then you're ready to roll.
Thank you for watching our mini-series with Eylure. If you are a seasoned eyelash wearer, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you are a newbie to lashes, then I hope that we may have helped you in some way. And if you've never worn them before and you're dabbling with the idea, I hope that we have pushed you over the edge and you're gonna dive in head first into the lash abyss and get involved. If you are wearing them, then please share them. Just drop on hashtag #EylureXEmmaWillis, because I would love to see what they look like on you and also hear what you think of the range. I've loved creating them with the wonderful girls that are hiding off camera from Eylure, and she's been all right as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.